Hi students, good morning. Now doing work well? Okay. So now continuation of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry some points in bridge course. Okay. After organic chemistry in bridge course I will start lessons topics. Next week I will start. Okay. In bridge course organic chemistry. Yesterday I explained alkyl groups, alkenyl groups, alkynyl groups. Alkynyl, yesterday I explained what is meant by alkynyl. What is meant by alkynyl group? So now I am taking alkane. Removal of hydrogen atom from alkane is known as alkynyl group. Alkynyl group. Alkynyl group. Removal of nitrogen atom from alkanes is known as alkynyl group. For example, I am taking ethane. Ethane formula C2H2. That name is ethane. So ethane, removal of nitrogen atom from CH triple bond C. That is a ethynyl. So that is a ethynyl. Next example 1. Example 2. Propane. CH3 C triple bond CH, propane. Propane. So removal of nitrogen atom, that means CH3 C triple bond C bond. So that is propanyl. Propanyl. I thought yesterday I wrote propyl. Propyl wrong, propanyl. So these are alkynyl groups. Removal of nitrogen atom. Removal of nitrogen atom from alkanes is known as alkynyl group. I am taking, so ethyl alkane. Ethyl produces ethynyl. Propane produces propanyl. Butane produces butynyl. Pentane produces pentynyl. So these are different types of alkyl, alkynyl groups. Okay. Next one is, so write down. IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. IUPAC full form International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC full form International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to IUPAC, organic compounds having different names. So generally, organic compounds having common name and IUPAC name. So International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, according to IUPAC, depends on IUPAC nomenclature. Given organic compound containing 3 parts. Given organic compound containing, according to IUPAC, given organic compound containing 3 parts. 3 parts. First one is root word. Second one is suffix. Third one is prefix. According to IUPAC, given organic compound containing 3 parts: root word, suffix and prefix. So root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in the organic compound in the chain. Root word indicates the number of carbon atoms. Suppose, right, according to IUPAC nomenclature, given organic compound containing 3 parts. Any organic compound containing 3 parts. Root word, suffix, prefix. Suffix, prefix. Anyway, root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Suppose one carbon atom is there, that is known as meth. 2 carbons is there, eth. 3 carbons is there, prop. 4 carbons is there, but. 4 carbons is there, but. And 5 carbons is there, pent. 6 carbons is there, ex. 7 carbons is there, apt. 8 carbons is there, oct. C9 carbons is there, non. C10 carbons is there, dect. Similarly, these are up to 10 enough. Root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Number of carbon atoms in the chain. So these are our root word. Root word. And another one is, so these are root word completed. And the second one is a suffix. Suffix also 2 types. Primary suffix, secondary suffix. Suffix 2 types. Primary suffix, secondary suffix. Primary suffix means it tells about the nature of carbon-carbon bond. Nature of carbon-carbon bond. For example, here carbon-carbon single bond, that is known as ene. Carbon-carbon double bond, that is known as ene. And carbon-carbon triple bond, that is known as ine. Primary suffix tells about the nature of carbon-carbon bond. If carbon-carbon bond having single bond, ene. Carbon-carbon bond having double bond, that is ene. Carbon-carbon having triple bond, that carbon is ine. Anyway, primary suffix tells about the nature of carbon-carbon bond. And the secondary suffix tells about the nature of functional group. Nature of functional group. Nature of functional groups. Nature of functional group. Nature of functional group. For example, alcohol is there. Alcohol is a secondary suffix. That name, alcohol OH, that name is ol. Aldehyde is there. Aldehyde is there, CHO. That name is al. And ketone is there. Ketone means CO. That name is ol. Okay, next one is acid is there, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid COOH, that known as oic acid. Oic acid, like that. I given some example, after that I will give list. Okay? These are secondary suffix tells about the nature of functional group. So these are group, formula, and secondary suffix. These are secondary suffix. Alcohol secondary suffix name ol. Aldehyde al. Ketone ol. Carboxylic acid oic acid. So these are secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. So these are secondary suffix. Okay? Next. Root word completed, suffix also completed. Next, last one is prefix. Prefix. Prefix also, these are 2 types. primary prefix, secondary prefix, secondary prefix. Primary prefix is applicable to only cyclic compounds, only cyclic compounds, only cyclic compound, like that, only cyclic compound. Suppose here is there cyclopropane, like that, applicable to primary suffix, applicable to only cyclic compound, that means cycloalkane, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, like that. Secondary prefix explain the secondary prefix, it explain the some groups. For example, chlorine is there, chloro, CH3 is there, methyl. Secondary suffix it explain the some groups means chloro, methyl, like that. Suppose alcohol is there, alcohol secondary suffix ol, but secondary prefix also is there, that is known as hydroxy. When this case, when organic compound contain two types of functional group, one functional group prefix, one functional group is a suffix, that is hydroxy, CHO is there, formyl, keto is there, oxo, like that. NO2 is there, nitro. So that is a secondary prefix. Secondary prefix tells about the groups. Chloro, methyl, OH is there, hydroxy. When OH, alcohol, ol and hydroxy, organic compound contain two functional groups. One functional group prefix, another functional group suffix. When this case, organic compound contain two types of functional groups. After that I will give. So these are, so in organic chemistry, given organic compound containing three parts, root word, suffix and the prefix. Root word tells about the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Okay, one carbon means meth, two carbon means eth, three carbon means prop, like that. Suffix two types, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Primary suffix tells about the nature of carbon-carbon bond, alkene, carbon-carbon single bond, alkene, double bond, alkene, like that. Secondary suffix tells about the nature of functional group. Nature of functional group means alcohol, ol, aldehyde, all, like that. And another one is prefix two types, primary prefix, secondary prefix. Primary prefix means compulsory applicable to only cyclic compounds. Okay. And the secondary prefix, these are applicable to groups chloro, methyl, like that, or OH is there, hydroxy. When these are functional groups are converted to secondary prefix, organic compound containing two types of functional group. One functional group acts as a prefix, one functional group acts as a suffix. That cases. So these are first UPS nomenclature, some important points. After that, so organic chemistry rules. First one is longest chain rule. Longest chain rule. First select the maximum number of carbons in the chain. We want maximum number of carbons in the chain. Now I am taking CH3, CH2. In this case, which one is correct? Here carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is correct? This chain is considered. This chain is considered. Longest chain required. Here example 1. Example 2. CH3, CH, CH. In this case, which one is required? Straight chain like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one is correct? In this direction, in this type chain, correct. Longest chain rule. Longest chain rule. Longest chain rule. Okay? That is example. Okay. Longest chain rule. Okay. Second. Lowest set of A. Locant's rule. Lowest set of A, Locant's rule. Lowest set of A, Locant's rule. In this case, so organic compound containing any substituents. Substituent means group chloro, methyl, ethyl. Organic compound containing any substituent, first give the lowest name of the substituent. For example, in this direction numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this direction 1, 2, 3, 4. In this direction correct. 2. First name 2 chloro. Second carbon position. Numbering lowest number. Simply lowest set of means lowest number. Simply lowest number of group. Second carbon 2 chloro. Total how many carbons? 5. 5 means so pentane. 2 chloropentane correct. So in this direction 1, 2, 3, 4. So another 4 chloropentane. So these are lowest, not lowest. That is a wrong. 4 chloropentane wrong. Numbering in this case numbering left to right character, right to left character. Left to right second, right to left fourth. Which one is lowest number? Left to right character. So I given 2 chloropentane correct. 4 chloropentane wrong. Compulsory substituent name 2 chloropentane. Another example. In this direction 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methyl hexane. In this direction 3 methyl hexane. Which direction correct? Left or right? Right to left correct. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 chloromethyl hexane wrong. So 3 methyl hexane correct. 3 methyl hexane. 4 methyl hexane wrong. Because in this case left to right numbering highest number, but right to left lowest number. We want lowest side, lowest number. So 4 methyl hexane wrong. 3 methyl hexane correct. Write down. Next case, in organic compound containing 2 identical groups, the number is repeated 2 times. The number is repeated 2 times. And third rule, Here numbering compulsory left to right. That name is in this direction correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2, 2. First letter compulsory capital letter. First letter compulsory we will write capital letter. 2, 2 dichloropentane. 2, 2 dichloropentane. 2, 2 dichloropentane. That name. Another example. In example 1 and example 2. CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here any direction okay. Any direction, left to right or right to left. Here simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 3, 3 dimethyl. 3, 3 dimethyl pentane. 3, 3 dimethyl pentane. That name is 3, 3 dimethyl pentane. So that is one of the example. Okay? Next to alphabetical order. So alphabetical order. If organic compound containing 2 or 3 different types of groups, we can follow alphabetical order. Chlorine is there, chloro. Bromine is there, bromo. Methyl is there, M. The type of names required. Alphabetical order. For example, CH3, CH2, CHCl, CHCH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. In this direction numbering is second or third carbon. Third, fourth, 3 plus 4, 7. But in this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. These are wrong, these are correct numbering. Lowest sum rule, alphabetical order and lowest sum rule also. Left to right numbering, these are third carbon, these are fourth carbon. 3 plus 4, 7. In this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Which one is correct? Left to right correct. That name is alphabetical order. Chlorine first, methyl first. Chloro, C first. Methyl next. That means name is, the compound name is 3-chloro 4-methyl. 3-chloro 4-methyl. Heptane, 7 carbon means heptane. 3-chloro 4-methyl heptane. 3-chloro 4-methyl heptane. First chlorine importance, because chlorine means C, methyl means M. Which one is first alphabetical order? C first. So okay, write down. Next example 2. CH3, in this case, we want longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct. Longest chain. In this case, these are considered as a methyl group. These are considered as a which group? Ethyl group. Methyl group, ethyl group substituent. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ethyl first, methyl first. Here not numbering. Numbering hoga order. After that name. For the group naming E first, M first, E first. That means simply name 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, heptane. Heptane correct. 4 ethyl, 3 methyl, heptane. Heptane means how many? 7 carbons. Okay, these are all alphabetical order. So these are all alphabetical order. Okay. Having multiple bonds. Multiple bond means double bond and triple bond. Organic compound containing double bond and triple bond, first importance, double bond direction of the compounds or triple bond direction of the compounds. I am taking having double bond. Here double bond in this direction 1, 2, 3. In the direction of 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is better? Third better. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some student doubt, sir, here fourth carbon also correct. Fourth carbon before double bond attached third carbon. That importance of third carbon. We will give importance third carbon. Okay? Here total how many carbons? 7. Compound having double bond and triple bond, first naming root word. 7 means hept. Hept, not heptene. Hept 3 in. Hept 3 in correct. Or 3 heptene also correct. Simple name hept 3 in. Hept 3 in. Hept 3 in. An example 2. So example 2. But compulsory importance double bond direction, not a substituent. Compulsory naming 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond importance. That means name these are 3 chloro but1 or 3 chlorobutene. 3 chlorobutene. 1 is nothing. So 3 chlorobutene or 3 chlorobutene. That name. In this case, any direction equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this direction. Total how many carbons? 4. Butadiene. Butadiene are simply 2-butene. So 2-butene. So butadiene first importance. Both are correct. So first concentrate butadiene. So these are having double bonds. Having double bonds. Okay, students. Okay, up to here concept enough. Remaining concept next class I will explain. How is these concepts? Nice. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for all.